Welcome to the Family Financial Freedom channel. The main intent of this channel is to educate Indian families who are new to stock market about some best practices. Hello, welcome to Pearls of Wisdom from Investment Gurus. In our life, out of our experiences, we found out, say, some truths. Then when we encapsulate and try to pass on to our next generation, they will be like simple quotations or simple facts. So is in our investment journey and process. Investment in reality is simple, but we complicate it. Our legend investors in their lifetime, when they experience, experiment and come back with such simple truths, simple philosophies, and they share those secrets in terms of simple quotations or statements, why not take them, understand and use them in our investment rather than reinventing everything? That's the very purpose of this series. Hope it helps you to accelerate in your investment journey. Let's go watch today's Pearl of Wisdom from our investment gurus. In the long run, it's not how much money you make that will determine your future prospects. It's how much of that money you put to work by saving it and then investing it. Many of us, after our education, either we join a company or start our own business and start earning. And then part of it, we save it. But many of us, if we do not know proper financial education, we invest them in FDs or just put it in bank and just expecting some interest. But in reality, is it growing? You should ask this question seriously. Let me tell you a small eye-opener. You might be getting 5 to 6% interest, or if you are putting in FD 7.5%, but 30% of that might go back as taxes. Correct? So that leaves you 5.25% that is left to you. What is our current inflation? 6 and north, 6 and upwards. That means in net what is happening? You are minus on your savings. That means your purchasing power of your rupee is diminishing by just saving in the bank or FD. So what is the right way? That is what Peter Lynch says. As soon as you are saving, try to put them in investment vehicles, so that even if you are sleeping, they will work for you and give you better returns than your FDs. What are those investment vehicles? I'm giving an example. You could buy piece of land which appreciates, or construct houses, basically investing in real estate. Or you could invest in precious metals, which are also increasing a lot in the recent past. How many of you invested in gold, which is almost like doubled in the last 1.5 to 2 years? Similarly, third one is, since we are stock markets talk about it, we could invest in mutual funds if we are beginners into stock markets, or if we know the skill, we can directly invest into quality stocks which can generate huge wealth over a long period of time. Do you agree? Yeah, you know that in the last 2 decades, some of the good quality IT companies, IT biggies, have generated huge wealth, giving you every year 20 to 25% of CAGR, compounded annual growth return. Similarly, few good private banks gave you very good wealth in the last 2.5 decades. And in the current decade also, few years back, defense stocks, railway stocks, etc. gave wonderful returns and given huge wealth to the investors. Currently, artificial intelligence is taking over the world by storm. So watch out for the companies that are in AI or companies which are providing infrastructure to AI, and those things, if you search and then find out quality companies, you can make huge money if you stay invested in those quality companies for longer periods, say 5 to 10 years. This is what Peter Lynch says. So try to learn stock markets, try to learn fundamental analysis or technical analysis, using which you can find out the quality companies in the sectors that we discussed, and then use the technical analysis to choose your right entry points and also exit at the right levels. Gone are those days where we need to just stay invested for long. We need to just at appropriate points we need to book profit. So learning these two skills will help you to make huge money in stock market, because there are a lot of wealth opportunities. Two, India is in such an inflection point that we will grow and become one of the developed countries in the world. So thank you very much for subscribing to Family Financial Freedom Hub channel. In this channel, we try to educate the new investors to the stock market with wonderful lessons from our investment gurus. We also conduct weekend webinars on this financial freedom to achieve your financial goals. If you are interested, the link is given in the below description. Please register and join to realize your financial freedom goals. Thank you for subscribing. See you next week with another pearl of wisdom. Until then, goodbye.